A multi-store retail provider of eyewear was much worse than the industry standard for remakes, a problem where a customer complains about their new glasses or contacts, and to please the customer, the retail outlet remakes their glasses or contacts at the company's expense. This increased their cost around $1.7 million annually, so they sought help from ASI Consulting. ASI gathered data on every remake in every retail outlet that they had for 2 weeks. Once data was gathered, specific proactive, reactive, and transactional problem-solving tools and methods were used to determine the reasons behind remakes. Out of 40 reasons found, only 4 accounted for 77% of all remakes. ASI and the retailer strategized and developed concepts and solutions for them, and changed the way that retailer interfaced with customers. Consequently, remakes were reduced by 70%, and savings reached above $1 million. So be smart, choose ASI.